we'll guide you through how to build apps using Replit. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Replit website and log into your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Click on the Create button usually found at the top left corner. You'll be prompted to choose a template for your app. Replit offers a variety of templates for different programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and HTML, so pick the one that best suits your project. For a web app, you might want to choose the HTML, CSS, JavaScript template. After selecting the template, give your project a name and click Create REPL. This will open the Replit IDE with your new project. You'll see a file tree on the left where you can manage your files, and the code editor in the center where you can write your code. Start by editing the index.html file to set up your app's structure. Then, style it with CSS in the style.css file and add interactivity with JavaScript in the script.js file. You can run your app by clicking the Run button at the top of the screen, which will open a preview pane where you can see your app in action. Remember, you can also use packages and libraries by clicking on the Packages tab on the left. Search for the package you need and click Install to add it to your project. This is especially useful if you're working with frameworks or need specific functionalities. If you run into any issues, Replit has a built-in community where you can ask for help or search for solutions. Once your app is complete, you can share it by clicking on the Share button to get a link, or even deploy it directly to the web from the Deploy tab. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.